Hi, today I can show you the Funnelish product carousel or product gallery issues. Like when you can upload the images to product gallery, you see the sliding thumbnail are showing like this, and there are a scroll bar. It's not like a professional featured product image gallery. But I have a alternate solution. Like I create a custom code. You can just put here your image links, and the thumbnail will be like this. Let me show. Yeah, check the thumbnail. It's very nice. You see the bottom thumbnail also here. If I can click left and right, it's look really professional, like Shopify, advanced page builders, game pages, Repolo, and they have the slider also like this. And this is the Funnelish image gallery. See the difference. It's really professional. So how can you do that? Let me go to the Funnelish editor. Here is the old thumbnail. I can remove it, and this is the custom code. And you see, you don't need to touch anything here. Just you can change the image URLs. I can call up this, and here is the images. Like you see, there are on two, three, six images here. These images are the big images, and then here is the thumbnail. This is the thumbnail. There are the six thumbnails. Six. Okay. So right now, what you can do, you can just update the image URL. You can just put number one image URL here, and then here the same image URL or same image link. Then you can replace number two, and here's the number two. Okay. For Funnelish, how you can collect the image URLs? Let me show you the way. Easiest way. First, drag image here. Okay, and click browse. I have some images I uploaded here. I can just select the first image, and you see here is the image link. I can just click here and Control A and copy. Then go here, and again I can replace this first one, and here's the first one. Save. Let me check if it's work or not. Refresh. Yeah, you see this image comes here. Okay, like the same way I can again change another images. So what I can do, this is the dummy image. I drag it here. I can again click browse and select the second one and copy this URL, go to the custom code, and again I can replace this code here and here. Save again. Like this way I can put the other four images. Okay, I added all the images, and let me preview it how it looks. Yeah, like this. These images are too long, so it look like bit longer. So if you can use the square or the previous image I used, then this slider will look perfect. If you need this script, it will be linked to my description, and it will be very helpful for your Funnelish funnel to make the gallery looking nicer. So thank you so much for watching this video.